In this problem, you are again asked to write a function, but area of a rectangle in terms of its one of the sides, which is x. They call it length. I would call it width, but it's okay. If this is the length, then that would be the width. Okay, so let me read the problem. It says rectangle has a perimeter of 70 feet. So now what is a perimeter? Perimeter means it is the distance around. So what is given as 70 here is L plus X plus L plus X is given to me as 70 feet. So I can write this in another nice way. Twice the length plus twice the width, or 2 times L plus 2 times X is 70. So from here, since I want my answer in terms of X, I'm going to write L in terms of X. 70 minus 2X. Divide both sides by 2. I have L equals 35 minus X. So this is my length in terms of X. L equals 35 minus X. With this information, I need to finish my problem. Okay. So it's asking for to write the area A. So the formula for an area of a rectangle is length times width. So in here, it's going to be L times X. So L is 35 minus X times X, right? So I can write A of X equals, X is equal to, if I distribute the X in, I get a 35X minus X squared, which is equivalent to saying A of X equals negative X squared plus 35X. Now this is also a word problem, is that's what it's asking for. They didn't ask me for the implicit domain, and I think WebAssign may not ask for it, I don't know. But I would always have this practice of writing the domain of this function. So the domain is x has to be greater than 0 because the width or the length has to be greater than 0 for me to have a rectangle, and also 35 minus x should be greater than 0 too. So negative x is greater than negative 35, or x is less than 35. So for me to have a rectangle here, my domain has to be greater than 0 and it has to be less than 35. So the domain of this function would be 0 comma 35, not including both. Again, I don't know if this is a question for this, but it's nice to always look at the domain.